Scanning a 2020 for Lexus using XTOOL N9EV.
So today we're working on a 2024 Lexus TX, and we're going to start by connecting our diagnostic connector here. And also, guys, before we do anything on any vehicle, let's make sure that our updates are all done. Right here we have one update that still needs to be done, so we're going to go ahead and do that right away. Okay, that update's done. So now we're going to go to general. We're going to do an auto scan. Again, this is a 2024 Lexus TX. We'll select Lexus. ID the vehicle, hit OK. Automatic scan. So we just finished a full health report on this car. So now we're going to go into the engine control module, and we're going to perform an actuation test. And for this one, we're going to go into the injector control to turn off and turn on injectors. So you can select data if you want. I'm going to hit no because I don't need it. And then we're going to start by cutting off injector 1. Click OK. Select start. And now you can feel the vehicle misfiring. And then hit stop. And now we're going to go to injector 2. Same thing. Click start. And you can feel the vehicle misfiring. Go ahead and stop. Hit OK. Cancel. So that's what we have for you today on our N9EV. And this is a real quick scan of the vehicle and also showing you the injector cutoff. Please join us for more to come.